Hi you guys, Flash Taku here, and this time we have these cereal box Pokemon cards. So everyone is guaranteed to have a holo card, as well as 2 additional Pokemon cards. So here is our checklist, which appeared on the front. Anyway, here's the 4 cards that you want to try to get. These are the good ones. You know, the 3 starters and the Pikachu. And then these are the basic cards that you can get otherwise. So let's go ahead. I think I kind of spoiled that one. But just in case, here you go. We have Cutiefly, Sandygast, and we got the Holo Litten. So very nice. Started off Litten, although I don't have any of them yet. Oh, by the way, these were all purchased through the YouTube store of Pokemon and Wife. They're YouTubers, so that was pretty cool. I don't know them personally or anything, but they have an eBay channel. They're not eBay channel, eBay to sell stuff that's like surplus for them in order to, you know, fund their channel in a way. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Sorry, wrong way. Alright, so we have Stuffle, cool, a new one, and Pikipek, and then Popplio, very good. So nice, no duplicates so far. Alright, so we got Popplio and Litten. It's a very sparkly background for the holo. If you can see that, it's just kind of sparkly. It gives Popplio sort of an underwater look. Anyway. Here is this one. We got Stuffle, Alolan Meowth, and we got the Pikachu. Awesome. That is great. I was worried we wouldn't get the Pikachu because so many people on the internet were having trouble getting Pikachu, or on YouTube were having trouble getting Pikachu, so I was worried we wouldn't get Pikachu. But that's great, we got Pikachu. So it's already been successful. I just hope we can get Rowlet. If not, I'll have to buy some more of these, probably. Anyway, gonna open it a little. And then you have to kind of open it backwards to not give it away. So yeah, checklist. Then move the front one to the back. And we have Crabrawler, Cutiefly, and another Pikachu. Here we go, people. I have all the Pikachus. Anyway, I guess I'll have to buy a couple more to try to get Rowlet. And maybe this Pikachu can be up for trade. Put it in my trade binder and trade it off to people, maybe. We'll see. I don't trade it over the internet, sorry, that was misleading, but yeah, so I'll have to try to get Rowlet. Let's see how we did on the common card. So, Cosmog. Did we get a Cosmog? No, we did not get a Cosmog, so I need Cosmog. We got a Crabrawler. We got a Sandygast. We got Alolan Meowth. We got Cutiefly twice. We got Pikipek, I saw that. Oh, we didn't get Yungoos. And we got 2 Stuffles. So we just needed Yungoos and Cosmog to get all the commons. But these aren't special or anything, they're just regular Sun and Moon base set. So that is that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this sort of content. I do Pokemon card openings all the time. I guess I will have to do another one of these serial Pokemon card openings to try to get a Rowlet. So stay tuned for that, and I will catch you next time. Shoom!